We're in our garage for our task, and the task is to clean clutter out of your garage and clean your sensors and stuff. Luckily, our garage is practically brand new. We just kind of finished it. We've been so busy, we haven't had time to organize it.
It's not super
And
organized.
it's easy to do, you know?
The main thing you want to do is make sure you have a path to walk, make sure things aren't super cluttered. Second part of the task would be to check your garage doors for functioning properly.
And sensors and stuff.
And to make sure the sensors are clean and the tracks are good and your garage door goes up and down properly, just to make sure that it's completely safe. Nobody's going to trip and fall, hurt themselves, and the garage door is not going to come down on you and hurt you that way.
And then Malachi here parked the lawnmower right in my spot, so we can make sure to move that so I can park my car in here, because that's important, you know?
Next time Becca will just have to mow the lawn so she can put the mower where she wants.
Well, you can leave it here as long as you like.